about some testing facts and how exactly this impacts as to the business analyst, how much information you need to have for the testing. All those sides we are going to understand and talk about it. So before we get into the details, let's understand what exactly is the purpose of this session. So overall, as we see here, the purpose of this session is to find defects and problem as soon as possible. Also, how to meet the requirement that guided its design and the development efforts. Also, assure and satisfy the need of stakeholders. And towards the end of this session, you will gain an understanding of quality and the testing concepts and be able to plan, develop, execute, and document the test cases, because that is something which you would require over the time if you are working in the business analyst capacity to understand how to execute the user acceptance testing. Now, moving on, there are other things also which will be explained and which you will get exposure to when we say that. For example, why it is important to have the testing as part of the software development, then what exactly the testing mindset you should have when you are going to write the test cases, what are the terms you need to understand, and also some of the concepts which is required to plan for the testing. Now, this is the overall agenda of this session, which we are going to cover as part of this. Like, we will introduce you who the quality assurance folks are, what is the role of a business analyst in the testing phase. Then we'll talk about the test plan, test cases, different type of testing methods, functional and the regression testing, white box, black box, what the difference is, what is the difference between the positive and the negative test cases. Then we'll have the graphical user interface and the unit testing, and towards the end you will be exposed to the user acceptance testing, what it is.